Hi, make a lily with me today. Good morning. I just woke up. It's 6:30. It's already 7:11 today. So I'm making the sepal of the lily of the valley. So I just found the pattern in YouTube and I just imitated it. Since I do not write patterns or I don't, invent new patterns. I just follow patterns in YouTube. So I'm gonna make one today. So I start with making a magic ring and then put 6 single crochet into the ring, and then on round 2 I'll be doing double crochets and chain 1 and then double crochet again into the next and chain 1 again until the next, till you repeat it 6 times. So by the way, guys, you may visit my store here on Facebook. By the way, if you want to buy crochet keychains or flowers or tops, I can make any of those, or bouquets, or hearts. Yeah, I can make those. You may also PM me if it's not available on my showcases. So yeah, you may PM me if you want to request an order like tops or anything crocheted. I can make it, guys. Alright, so I have made one. So easy. And I want to chain one, so I'll just cut this off and cut. So I'll make a lot of this since I planning to make a lot of lilies. So by the way, hold on. So I've already made some, and I made it on different colors. I made blue here, so cute, and this white, so cute. Yeah, but I know lilies are white colors. The color of lilies are white, right? But anyways, I made it in different colors. I have yellow and red and violet. But I was thinking that, I think the lily of the valley is just color white. So now I'm thinking I'm gonna make white lily of the valleys only, no other colors. So I'm just gonna using this for I'm just gonna use this for designs like that, but I will make white now. So I'll just make white because lilies are color white. Anyways, so I'll make another one. So today is Saturday, and I have time to to crochet because I'm a full-time BPO agent in Cebu City in IT Park. So I do have times in the morning after my work, because my shift begins at 10 p.m. and ends at 7 a.m. in the morning. So I still have from when I got home, or when I arrived home, so I spend 3 hours before I sleep by crocheting. No, so usually I arrive home if I don't go overtime. So I usually arrive home at 8:30 a.m. So from that time when I arrive, I get ready, I change clothes, and then I directly get my yarn hook and crochet. And so from 9, 10, 11, 12, or the remaining hours, just so I can sleep 8 hours at most. So I just divide it. So sometimes I spend 3 hours crocheting, and then after that I go to sleep. Because I'm also making some items to as I'm stocking up, especially flowers, because I'm preparing for the Valentine's Day next year. Yeah. But I have a lot of, I think I have to organize my thoughts, what to make first, because I keep on jumping from one project to another. Like, there's no like, I don't have a goal what to make or to finish, you know, because I make headbands, keychains, flowers, and then switch to making headbands again, like that. Keep on changing what items I should make, but I think I should really schedule. I think I have to plan what to make, so that I could really I think I will write down what I should make first and foremost. Should really plan to organize. And we're so disorganized. I'm not an organized person, Yeah, I think that's better, because if I do that, I'd finish some projects right away, right? So I'll just keep making on this. I'll just keep making some of these sepals until this green yarn will be, will be consumed. So that's for today, guys. Next time I'll upload a video of making the petals this color white. So for now, I'll just make the sepals. Goodbye for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you follow me here on my TikTok shop page. So this is my page for crochets. And check out my store, guys. Check out na rin kayo. Mag-order na rin kayo, guys. Or mag-DM kayo kung magpapagawa kayo. I'm from Cebu City, by the way. And I do deliver. I do deliver. I can deliver. Yes, because I have a shop, right? So, yan lang. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.